Welcome to La Hong University and the Faculty of Mechatronics and Electronics. Most labs used for Electrical and Electronics Engineering Technology program locate at Center of Scientific Research and Application. Each room can seat 30 students with fully equipped devices for a group of 3 or 4 students practicing at the same time. There are safety regulations, equipment instructions, first aid kit, and fire extinguishers in each room. All the regulations and instructions about how to use the equipment safely and effectively are taught at the first day of the course. Besides, Wi-Fi system and air conditioners are also equipped in all rooms. Basic Electricity and Power Supply Lab is used to teach freshmen basic knowledge about civil, electrical, and essential skills in designing, installing, and operating civil electrical system. The lab is divided into 5 sections, including yard, living room, bedroom, kitchen, and toilet. Each group of students will work in a separate area and then switch to other groups when completing exercises for each area. In most areas, students will practice calculation, selection, and installation of equipment, such as electric meter, main service panel, circuit breakers, socket, lights, exhaust fan. In addition, students also practice internet setting, security camera system, and cable television. Use basic hand tools such as drills, pliers, and screwdrivers to practice wiring connections and practice safety when working at height by ladder. And use the basic VOM meter to check the connection of the electrical system before operation. Basic Electrical and Telecommunication Lab is used to teach application electronic circuit design practice in the training program. The room is equipped with 8 sets of practice equipment for each group. Each group of 3 students will operate on a set of practical equipment to investigate the operating principle of functional parts such as DC source, switch, LED, transistor, FET, op-amp, relay, and pulse generator circuit. Learner will use devices such as pulse generation, oscilloscopes, and VOMs to measure input signals and meet output responses of electronic circuits. The Sensor Measurement Lab is equipped with 7 sets of practical equipment to help students study the subject of sensor measurement practice. Each group consists of 4 students who use VOM and oscilloscopes to survey the operation and measure the output signal of sensor commonly used in the industrial field such as limit switches, proximity sensor, magnetic sensor, metal sensor, capacitive sensor, optical sensor, temperature sensor, encoder, and product classification camera system. PLC lab is used to teach students how to set up automatic control systems using Siemens and Mitsubishi PLCs. Equipped with 8 practice devices and 8 computers and divided into 2 groups, basic and advanced programming level. Each group will consist of 3 students performing on the same device. In the basic section, students will be able to control on/off equipment such as valves, cylinders, indicator lights, buttons, switches, sensors, and DC motors. These control objects are laid out on 4 linked modules. Each module simulates a stage of the production process in factories, from supplying raw materials to sorting and packaging products. Students can work on discrete modules, then combine the modules into a complete production line. In the advanced section, students will practice on controlling devices such as inverters, servo motors, stepper motors, HMI strings, absolute encoders, electric cylinders, and XY tables. Microcontroller and Simulation Lab is used to teach the subject of practical microcontrollers. The lab is equipped with computers 12 sets of basic practice equipment, and 1 set of advanced practice equipment. Students will practice programming on microcontrollers such as AVR, ARM and Arduino to read digital and analog signals from input devices such as push buttons, temperature sensors, humidity sensors, angle sensors, HMI screen, infrared sensor controlling output devices such as LED, matrix, LCD, buzzer. In the advanced part, students will practice controlling industrial devices such as servo motors, inverters, stepper motors, and practice controlling devices through the web, IoT. Wiring and electric equipment lab is used to teach students about the construction of electric motors. Students will use the VOM wiring tool, calculate the number of turns, select the diameter of copper wire to wind the coil for electric motor and coil for the magnetic starter. In addition, students are also equipped with skills in designing and installing control cabinets, including basic components such as push buttons, indicator lights, magnetic starters, thermal relays for common applications such as star triangle motor control cabinets, pump control system. 3S, 5S Anzen Kaizen Lab was built from a cooperation project with JICA in the Human Resource Development Program to serve the production needs in local industrial parks. This lab is used to teach subjects 3S, 5S, PDCA, waste, innovation, and safety according to the standards of factories in Japan to help students craft and integrate easily in working environment at Japanese enterprises after graduation. Students will experience safety models such as falling objects, hand grip conveyors, motor traction models, and practice building accident risk management activities at production lines in enterprise. Students also experience how to use protective equipment such as safety helmets, glasses, noise-canceling headphones, foot protection shoes, seat belts, and the meaning of signs and common safety warning signs in the working environment. Robot Technology Center was built to support students to carry out course projects, graduation projects, build cars, build robots, to participate in technology competitions organized by the faculty, and technology competitions among universities in Vietnam and Asia, such as La Hong Racing Car, La Hong Go Kart, and Robot Creation Contest. The workshop is fully equipped with all kinds of machinery and equipment such as 3D printers, milling machines, lathes, air compressor, bend drills, cutting machines, hand drills, hand tools to serve manufacturing activities. The workshop was built and divided into areas, including a technical area for groups, a shared machine tool area, and a competition area. The workshop is open 24/7. The members participating in activities at the workshop are given IDs to unlock fingerprints to enter the workshop after completing a training course on living rules, how to effectively use equipment and safety regulations at the workshop. For large machine tools such as CNC machines, milling machines, and 3D printers, students must complete and obtain a certificate to be allowed to use. This is also the place to create achievements of 9 championships at the Robocon Vietnam and 3 times in the ABU Asia Pacific Robot Contest, 5 times in the Fuel Saving Car Competition, Shell Eco Marathon Asia of students majoring in electronic engineering technology. Open Workshop is a marker space equipped with 3D printers, laser cutters, CNC machines, and other hand tools to support manufacturing for all students and is open 24/7. After participating in the introductory class on how to use basic devices, members will be given a fingerprint ID to be able to enter the room. Members can use the space and support tools at Open Workshop to implement course projects, graduation projects, and other creative products. The Open Workshop regularly organizes seminars on mechanical design, electronic circuit design, and programming related to the manufacture of actual products. This is also a place to support students' startup ideas.